Hi, in this video we are going to talk about IV Pro, which is one of the interface boards available for Navstick. So this is the interface board and this is Navstick. So you have to connect Navstick to this interface board. All you have to do is just snap fit Navstick onto this. So these two white connectors will meet and you have the interface board connected to Navstick. So what does this interface board offer? So this has the standard servo headers, so you can connect up to 6 servos directly over to these headers, and there is one header meant for power, servo power. There is another, this connector, so this is a connector for RC receiver. So a standard RC receiver can be connected over to this port. So there is a wire available which looks something like this. So up to 6 RC channels can be connected to this port and you can directly get the input from those 6 RC channels. There is another connector here for the Spectrum satellite. So there is another cable available using which you can connect it to the Spectrum satellite receiver. So you can either use this or this for RC receiver, depending on the kind of RC receiver you have. There is a port available for battery power. So there is another cable available which looks something like this. So this cable can be connected over to this port. Right. So this is for battery power. Then we have another port available which is the USB HS. So in case you want to interface it with another device or you want to connect the USB port of Navstick with the USB port of Ovro, you can use this port. So there is a micro USB port which can be used for powering this board. So you can power this board either through battery power or through micro USB. So micro USB, connect a standard micro USB cable into this port and connect it to your laptop or desktop, and this board will get powered up, and you can use the same port for also uploading the new program to Navstick. So you can use it for both purposes. Besides these, there are these two little buttons which are reset buttons. So this is for Ovro reset, it says OV here. So in case Ovro is connected over Navstick, so by pressing this button you can reset Ovro, and this is the button to reset Navstick. So both reset buttons are here, and then there is this is the boot selector. So you can select the boot mode of Navstick using this switch. So you can have boot 00 or boot 01, you can have boot 10 or boot 11. On the other side of the board, we have a micro SD card connector. So you can put a micro SD card here. We have a debug port. So this debug port is very useful. This is used for JTAG debugging, and it is used for console access. So there is a debug cable which connects to this port and to the IVGS board, and using that cable then you can get your JTAG debugging as well as your console from the laptop. Then there are these ports for Ovro. So this is a port for Ovro USB OTG, and there is a port for USB high speed or Ovro. Then there is a UART port for Ovro. Then this is a I2C port for Navstick, and this is a telemetry port. So using the telemetry port you can connect it to IVXB board and you can connect your telemetry there. So all these variety of things are available on this little board, and there is also a efficient DC to DC converter. So this converter basically helps you connect a wide range of battery input to this port. So you can have a 4.5 volt to 14 volt range here, and this DC-DC converter will take care of converting to the appropriate voltage for running Navstick as well as Ovro. So this board will provide power to Navstick as well as Ovro. It also takes care of some level converters and things like that. It does automatic power switching. So whether you have power coming in from the battery or you have power coming in from the micro USB port, it takes care of automatically switching the power source, and it has appropriate LED indicators and so on. So that's the IV Pro. So in this board, in case you plan to use an Ovro and you want to connect the USB port of Ovro to USB port of Navstick, so all you have to do is fuse these two little ports. So this is a port for Ovro and this is the port for Navstick. So these both are USB ports. So there is a cable available using which you can connect these two ports together. So that will connect the USB port of Navstick to Navstick USB port of Ovro. Similarly, there is another set of ports available here. So this is the UART port of Ovro, and this is one of the UART ports of Navstick. So which can either be used for Spectrum satellite connector, or it can be, these two ports can be fused together again, and that will give you the UART connectivity between Ovro and Navstick. So that's about IV Pro. So we can also check the weight of this board. How much does this board weigh? So let's put it here. This weighs about 8.6 grams. So this is one of the most powerful interface boards available for Navstick. So check out our other videos which talk about other interface boards and other add-on boards from Navstick. Thank you.